Welcome to paradise. Peaceful, private and secluded, this gated waterfront home boasts breathtaking views of Lake Wylie West/privacy all around, including a wildlife sanctuary area where deer and ducks are occasionally spotted. Every room provides spectacular views from its bright open floor plan to the upstairs covered veranda off of the bonus/office area west/gas fireplace. You'll feel like you're on vacation. Special features include renovated gourmet kitchen west/exquisite granite countertops, gas cooktop and double ovens. The main floor primary bedroom features private lake views, built-ins, tray ceiling and renovated ensuite bathroom west/sauna, oversized shower and stunning design options. Enjoy magnificent sunsets from your hot tub, in-ground pool, veranda, boathouse, dock, private beach, beautifully landscaped yard or anywhere in the home. The spacious boathouse includes jet ski lift, new roof and new ramp. Oversized 2-car garage west/shop area. Fabulous location. Nearby dining, airport, schools.